Okay, so this is how I like to make French fries, and the only way to do this is if you have an air fryer. The air fryer that we have is the Ninja.
It's amazing.
It is really, really good. And the way to make French fries, it's gonna be common sense, but you know, common sense is not everyone's common knowledge. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to slice this horizontally. And think about the size of a French fry. Like, think about the thickness of a French fry. That's exactly how you want to view this mentally, and that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut one. Again, this is horizontally, and I'm not measuring this out perfectly, but what we're looking to do is get the consistency and thickness of a French fry. So what that would look like, this is actually the perfect example, if you can see this on camera, okay? Now, once you have gotten through all of these, and I'm actually doing 2 of these today because I just freaking love them. It's tons of potassium, real nice instead of going down to Culver's, which used to be my thing. And you save 75% of the calories because, well, it's not as much oil. You literally have 1 to 2 seconds of mist from a 100% avocado oil spray, and that's all you need to do when you put it in the air fryer. Now, back to the cutting portion. I'm not gonna film the entire thing. You'll get the point really fast. What's happening here is we wanna now cut this in a way that, again, it resembles a French fry. So, cutting just right across it, horizontally again. I'm doing this really slow for the video so you can see this. I like to fly with this. You can see that would resemble a French fry.
I can't believe I've never thought of this.
I know, right? It dawned on me
I was trying to figure it out.
when I was doing online client work. It literally dawned on me. So that's as simple as this is, and I will turn back on the camera when I actually put it in the air fryer and show you what I season it with, because that is also really, really key to get it to taste like a traditional French fry, one that is gourmet, okay? See you in a sec. All right, so once you've got through one potato, and you go ahead and you just put it in a bowl. I mean, this is a part of my process because I like to keep things clean and easy, okay? So you fill up one bowl, generally speaking be 300 to 400, actually 300 to 500 grams of a potato, okay? Russet is definitely the best, but I will be speaking to you regarding the sweet potato fry video next.
Those are my favorite.
I'm working on perfecting that one. I just got to get some sweet potatoes. Okay, so it looks like this, and this is the one that will go in the air fryer. And the air fryer does a spectacular job within 24 minutes exactly. If you do this properly, 24 minutes exactly is going to get you the perfect crunch. It's going to get you the perfect mouthfeel. Okay. Air fryer. And we're going to preheat it for 3 minutes, and it's that simple. And then I'll see you in a second. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the batch. So the first thing is I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to dump it into the air fryer, which has now been preheated for 3 minutes, which is what it tells you to do with your Ninja air fryer. Now what we're gonna make here is French fries. Look at that, it's gonna tell you how to do absolutely everything with perfection right on the side, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat this bad boy to 350, okay? So I'm gonna turn it on. Temperature, we're gonna go to 350. It starts at 390. So we're gonna go to 350, we're gonna lock that in, and then for the time, as I said, it's gonna be 24 minutes. And I'm gonna hit start, and that's how we get it started. But let's pause it for a second, because what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take first the 100% avocado oil, okay? I'm gonna spray a light mist over the top. Takes about 1 second of a mist. Then we're gonna take this guy here, and we're just gonna shimmy this across. And then I'm gonna take this girl here and we're gonna shimmy her across. See how it's already taken shape in terms of the color? It's how those gourmet French fries turn out. And it's for that reason. It's because of the seasoning that is used. Nothing magical. And then here, we're gonna shimmy this guy. Now this one here, it needs a little bit more of a tap and a pat, okay? Boom, 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 boom. You know, just kind of evenly distribute it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake that up a little taste. See that color forming? Isn't that pretty? And we're going to put it in here and let the air fryer do its magic. Now, what you want to do every 5 minutes, what I found to be the best, every 5 minutes you want to take it out, shake it up just like that again, and then you want to put it back in. Really starting to come together right now. Let's give it another light little mist. Put it back. Of course, gotta shake it. It's really, really coming together.